Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. Yesterday, US markets were down 1.2% amid worries that robustness in job markets would keep the Fed raising rates for longer. After data released on Thursday showed a bigger than expected rise in private payrolls and a drop in jobless claims. Today, later in the day in US, the actual non-farm payrolls data, that is private plus government, will be declared. And the forecast is that that number will be at 2 lakh jobs that will be created in December compared to 2,63,000 jobs for the November month. So depending on that, market will show further movement in US and also on next week. But today morning, US futures data and even Asian markets are in the mildly positive zone. Asian markets on the whole are up about 0.3%. So expect flattish to positive opening for even our markets. Now I will invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Jia. Good morning, all of you. See, today we expect open a flattish note and remain a sideways during the day. Nifty has immediate support around 17,900 in the downside. If Nifty managed to sustain 18,100 above level, then we expect rally towards 18,340, 400 and upside. Bank Nifty also trading near support zone, and we saw that yesterday's bank take a support that end of the day, second half. So immediate support for Bank Nifty 40 to 400 at downside, and immediate resistance first place for intraday 43,000 and 43,270 above this level. Next immediate target for Bank Nifty 43,700, 43,800. Nifty Finance also trading support zone near the support zone. 18,730 is the first support, and resistance place around 1880, 1980 and 19 to 18 upside. Stock specific. Coromandalam looks positive at current level. We already given call. Upside target around 938, 940. Second, Amber looks positive at current level. Target is 2100 upside, and support place around stop loss place around 1840 at downside. That's it for technical. Derivative guy can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives data front, there is not much of change from the derivative front. As I mentioned yesterday also that as per the Y position, some sort of negative moment will be expected in the market, and we have witnessed that the selling pressure was being witnessed in the yesterday trading session. Currently, the same thing is happening in the market as per the Y position, that the range has been created of 18,200 to 17,800. So this range is needed to be breakout for the further trend reaction. But the positive thing that happened in yesterday's session is PCROI. PCR yesterday closed at 0.75 level. Currently, if we have witnessed that the Nifty has broken the important resistance zone on the cash front, also below 18,000 levels, and to we are seeing that the PCR closed around 0.75 level. So this is a good range for the PCR to pull back towards the 0.88 level. So we expect some sort of pullback in today's trading session towards 18,100 to 150 levels on today's trading session. Again, we might witness after that some sort of a range bound session in the market. So currently the scenario which is happening in the market is a stock specific market. Index will remain in the range of 100 to 200 points in coming trading session. As per the stock specific, we expect Godrej CP, Kajaria Ceramic, and ICICI General Insurance. This three counter looks positive in today's trading session. Thank you. That's it from the derivative front.
Yeah. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited and ISC Projects, the joint venture of both companies, has received an order of 166 crores for design, supply, and installation and commissioning of tracks for Surat Metro Rail Project Phase 1. This is positive. And yesterday, FADA, which is Federation of Automobile Dealers Association, came out with retail sales data for all the automobile segments for the month of December. Almost all segments have shown decent positive growth even in the month of December, except for two-wheelers. Two-wheelers was the only segment that posted a decline year-on-year of 11% in December. Two-wheeler retails had recovered in recent past. If we see for last 4 consecutive months until November, they had shown a recovery signs, but that has faded away in December again. So negative for two-wheeler stocks. Other categories posted decent growth. Three-wheelers grew by 41%, passenger vehicles 8%, tractors 5%, and commercial vehicles 11%. So positive for most of the auto segments except for two-wheelers. Thank you.
Good morning. Keval Kiran has announced its strategic partnership with BCCI as the Indian cricket team's official partner. The salients will see Keval Kiran's flagship brand Killer displayed on the right upper chest of the Team India jersey. This is positive for Keval Kiran. TCS is to post results on Monday. December being the seasonally weak quarter for the company, CCQOQ revenue growth is expected to register a growth of 1.3% QOQ. Dollar revenue is expected to come in at 6,958 million, which is up 1.2% QOQ and 6.7% year on year. EBIT margins is expected to improve by 40 bips and come in at QOQ and come in at 24.4% on account of operational efficiencies, employee parameters rationalization, and rupee depreciation. Last quarter TCV for the company stood at $8.2 billion. So the key things to look out for would be the deal intake for Q3 and the demand environment and the margin outlook. Thank you.
Good morning. Godrej Consumer Products Limited yesterday announced the business update for Q3 FY23. The company expects double-digit sales growth backed by low single-digit volume growth on a standalone basis. And this growth was largely on account of home care and personal care where it has observed double-digit sales growth. The Indonesia business has also started seeing the gradual recovery, and the constant currency sales decline in low single digits. However, growth ex hygiene is marginally positive. Godrej Africa, USA, Middle East continues to see a strong sales growth momentum, clocking double-digit sales growth in constant currency terms. On a consolidated basis, it expects to generate revenue growth in mid-teens in constant currency and in double-digit in rupee terms with a flat growth in volumes. Thus, it expects high single-digit EBITDA growth on account of gross margin recovery and sustained marketing investments. So this is marginally positive for the company. Thank you.
Harshal, you can take over.
Yeah, thank you, Gian. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we had seen gold and silver prices correcting and testing the support area of 55,000 in gold and 68,000 in silver. So there could be a pullback from these levels. Buying gold around 55,100 and maintain a stop loss of 54,900. On upside 55, 350, 400. Then again, there could be some profit booking. In silver also, there could be some pressure around 68,800, 69,000, and one can sell with a stop loss of 69,500. On downside, 68,000, 67,500 seems to be a support area where it can test again. In crude oil, as long as holding 6100, one can expect a bounce back till 62 as yesterday. Uh, so maintain a stop loss of 6070, and natural gas break of 335 has led to fall, and there is no respite in pullback. So prices should remain under pressure and may test 300. And on upside, 330 seems to be a cap. And in base metals, copper looks good. 717 seems to be good support area, and one can buy with a stop loss of 713. And on upside again, 725, whereby profit taking is expected, and one should take profit over there. Zinc 266 seems to be a good support area, and one can buy with a stop loss of 267, and prices are expected to test 274, 275 on higher end. That's it from me. I'll ask Ria to take off from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So on the currency front, just a second. Yes, on the currency front, we have seen rupee giving witnessing a sharp decline in yesterday's session. It declined from the trading range that it was observing from past 2 months was within the levels of 83 to 82.75. It gave a breakdown to the same, closing at around 82.56. In today's session, we could expect some pullback into the pair as dollar index has ticked on the higher side. It has moved above 105 levels. So some weakness could be seen into the USD INR as well. So look for a breakout of 82.75 to go long into the pair towards 82.80, 82.90 levels. It will again most probably trade in that range itself. As far as other pair goes, JPY INR also witnessed a sharp decline into the pair. The support is at around 62.46. If it bounces off from that, we could see some correction, some pullback towards 62.90, 63 levels. Otherwise, it will continue to trade on the lower side towards 62, 60, okay, 61.50 levels. Euro INR has opened with a gap down at around 87.29. It will continue to witness the same and can head towards 86.90. One can go short below the level of 87. for a target of 86.75 with an SL at around 87.45. Same with the pound. Pound will continue its bearish leg towards 98 levels, and one can go short into the pair below the level of 96.50 by keeping the SL at around 96.85. That's all on the currency front. Thank you.